Hello, my name is Gianluca. I'm the creator of Sentry. I'm going to walk you through how to use the extension just in a few minutes. So here we're going to press up to Chrome. Here you can see that the extension can read and change all your data on our websites. I know this looks scary, but essentially what's happening is that the extension needs access to the websites in order to run the analysis. However, this analysis happens locally on your computer, so you don't have to worry about your data leaving your machine. Here, so then I'm going to press add extension. Here I have it here. I like to pin it to the toolbar so it's easy to access it. Here are just list of features. Press next, next, started. Here we have to create a profile. You can choose between professional or personal. I'm going to choose professional. Software engineer. Let's continue. Here I'm going to give it a name, just work. Here we can optionally add a task. I'm going to say something like learn JavaScript. I suggest you to do this as it improves the analysis. Create task. So here is the AI model download page. I already downloaded mine, so it's all good in here. However, you will see here a progress bar. Just wait a few minutes until it's done. Press continue. And here the only thing missing that needs to be done is to enable the system. So now it's active, everything is green. And now my focus is protected. If I go on YouTube and say search for something related to JavaScript, for example, this page, this is a video definitely in line with my task, so everything is okay. But if I go to something completely related, like here about snake and spiders, just in a few seconds, the analysis will tell me that this is definitely something not aligned. So it says stay focused. Here's the explanation why it doesn't think that it's aligned. Here's the task that is the current task. I can edit it or create a new one in case if things have changed. And here is just feedback, and the only way to dismiss this blocker is to say if it's right or wrong. In this case, it was correct, so I press correct, and just sending me back to the previous page. Other things to add is that here you can manage your profiles. You can add maybe a personal one, or you can create a new profile. Here you can manage task or create new task. Here you can even delete task. You can do everything you want with that, or you can change your task here in the easy way. Here is the analysis related to the current page. In case you think this was supposed to be blocked, you just press wrong here. You can give it a reason for that. Maybe I don't know why it should have been wrong. Because I'm studying React instead. Something doesn't make sense, but I guess you get the point. You can, yeah, now we will just use that keys. If I go back, it says that you stay focused because I was wrong. That's the justification that I gave it to me. I gave it, and we're good. It's correct. Other things to add is that you can sign in here, just free Google, so everything is sync for different devices, and create multiple profiles or tasks, which without an account you can create just one task and one profile. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and in case of any feedback, just let me know. Thank you.